Traveling solo? It's one of the most empowering things you can do. But not all cities are built the same for solo adventurers. You want safety, you want culture, and you want connection. Today, we're counting down the top 12 cities for solo travelers in 2025. Cities that welcome you with open arms, vibrant communities, and unforgettable experiences. And don't forget to check the description, where you will find the key tool I used to start my nomad journey. Let's get into it. 12. Panama City, Panama. Panama City might surprise you. It's a skyline that meets the jungle, a modern city where skyscrapers rise beside the Panama Canal. For solo travelers, it offers balance. Safe neighborhoods like Cusco Viejo, vibrant rooftop bars, and walking tours that blend history with modern vibes. You'll find plenty of hostels with built-in communities and day trips to rainforests or island beaches just a few hours away. English is widely spoken, and the city's expat and digital nomad scenes make it easy to feel part of something from day one. Just avoid a few neighborhoods after dark, and you're set. 11. Seoul, South Korea. Seoul is a symphony of contrasts. Ancient palaces beside LED-lit skyscrapers, quiet tea houses around the corner from bustling markets. It's one of the safest cities in the world, with low crime, well-lit streets, and 24-hour public transit. You'll feel comfortable wandering late, whether it's for barbecue, bingsu, or a midnight bookstore run. Korean culture is community-oriented, and while locals may seem reserved, they're respectful and welcoming. Solo diners are common, and many cafés and eateries cater specifically to individuals. Add in vibrant guest houses, social apps, and language exchanges, and it's easy to go from solo to social. 10. Marrakech, Morocco. Marrakech is bold, chaotic, and deeply beautiful. Yes, it can be overwhelming at first, but for the solo traveler who leans into the rhythm, it's unforgettable. You'll explore maze-like souks, sip mint tea on rooftops, and hear the call to prayer echo through the city. Safety is manageable if you stay alert, stick to trusted riads, travel with groups at night, and embrace the guided experiences. Riads in particular offer a unique solo perk: shared meals, cozy courtyards, and communal vibes that make it easy to meet fellow wanderers over breakfast or sunset tea. Respect local customs, and Marrakech will open up for you. 9. Krakow, Poland. Krakow has a quiet magic. It's a city that wears its history proudly, from medieval castles to poignant World War II landmarks, but it's not all solemn. The old town is lively and full of energy, with outdoor cafes, buzzing student crowds, and street performers. It's one of the safest cities in Europe, and compact enough to explore entirely on foot. Free walking tours are everywhere, and solo travelers are a common sight, sipping coffee or journaling in parks. Hostels here are social, but not overwhelming, and the city's affordability makes it great for longer solo stays. 8. Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is equal parts elegant and edgy. By day, explore historic castles, grand boulevards, and riverside views. By night, soak in thermal baths, sip local wine, or dive into the famous ruin bars. It's a safe city, especially in central areas, and solo travelers will find no shortage of community. Hostels are lively, free tours run daily, and you'll never feel out of place sitting alone with a view of the Danube. Budapest's youthful energy and creative scene make it feel both grounded in history and buzzing with modern life. A perfect mix for those traveling solo with a side of style. 7. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Buenos Aires is soulful, intense, and endlessly expressive. It's the kind of city that invites you in, with music from the street, the smell of grilled meats, and locals who speak with their hearts. Yes, like any big city, you'll want to stay aware of pickpockets, but for the most part, it's very navigable and welcoming. Tango classes, football games, and open mic nights are made for mingling, even if you don't know a soul when you arrive. And with language exchanges, artistic events, and hostel hangouts, it's easy to dive into the local culture, even solo. 6. Tbilisi, Georgia. Tbilisi feels like a secret you're lucky to discover. The architecture is layered with history, from crumbling balconies to ultra-modern bridges. And the people? Incredibly warm. Georgians love to share food and stories, especially over a glass of homemade wine. The city is safe, walkable, and full of character. While English isn't spoken everywhere, the growing community of digital nomads and creatives means you'll find pockets of English-friendly spaces, especially in cafés and hostels. Affordable, unique, and culturally rich, Tbilisi is perfect for thoughtful, curious solo travelers. 5. Ljubljana, Slovenia. Ljubljana is small but mighty, a green, eco-friendly capital with river walks, art murals, and music on every corner. It's one of Europe's safest cities. You'll feel at ease walking alone, day or night. And the locals? Open, thoughtful, and proud of their peaceful city. Its size is a plus. You can explore the whole center on foot and still find something new every day. The cafe scene is strong, and community events or art exhibitions often lead to spontaneous connections. Quiet, charming, and effortlessly kind. Ljubljana feels like home, even if just for a week. Number 4. Cusco, Peru. Cusco is alive with energy, not just from the altitude, but from the spirit of the Andes. It's the gateway to Machu Picchu, and solo travelers from around the world pass through here. That means hostels full of energy, treks that turn strangers into friends, and a city that understands the solo travel rhythm. It's safe overall, especially in tourist areas, and locals are used to helping visitors navigate the narrow, cobbled streets. Cusco is a place to bond over adventure, whether it's a hike, a meal, or a ride through the Sacred Valley. 3. Chiang Mai, Thailand. Chiang Mai is gentle. It's a place where things slow down, but don't stop moving. The cost of living is low, the food is out of this world, and the safety level is high. You'll meet fellow travelers at cafes, temples, cooking classes, or just walking through the old city moat. From yoga retreats to elephant sanctuaries, there's always a place to learn, grow, and connect. It's incredibly solo-friendly, especially for creatives and wellness-minded wanderers. 2. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon feels like a warm hug. Sunshine, sea breeze, and the sound of fado music spilling into the streets. It's one of Europe's most relaxed and friendly cities. Safe, walkable, and with a huge solo travel and digital nomad community. Affordable hostels, hip cafes, and public plazas are all great places to connect with others. Or just enjoy your own space, your own way. And the day trips, Sintra, Cascais, and different beaches, all within an hour. Lisbon is for the solo traveler who likes to roam and rest. Number 1. Kyoto, Japan. If peace was a place, it might be Kyoto. Quiet temples, bamboo groves, and soft-spoken culture. It's not just safe, it's tranquil. Japan is famously low crime, and Kyoto moves at a thoughtful, meditative pace. It's perfect for introverted or introspective solo travelers. You can walk through 1,000 torii gates, sit with tea in a Zen garden, or dine alone without ever feeling out of place. The culture of omotenashi means deep hospitality. Even solo visitors are treated with care and dignity. In Kyoto, you don't just travel alone, you reconnect with yourself. There you have it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. These 12 cities make it feel less like going alone and more like joining a global conversation.